grassroots programs play an integral role in Philippine sports development. And as the Batang Pinoy 2024 comes off the wraps this weekend, new stories of hope are yet to be unfolded and future sports stars will be born. Radyo Pilipinas 2 sports correspondent Dennis Hilanga has more.
Some of the country's sports icons came from scratch and had nothing then but dreams to fulfill. Just like Olympic gold medalists Carlos Yulo and Heidelin Diaz Naranjo, who used Batang Pinoy in reaching the pinnacle, hope springs eternal as well for thousands of young Filipino dreamers playing in the grassroots level. This is the time to carve their own paths to success, as roughly 12,000 student athletes representing 177 local government units from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao are set to brave the challenge of the Batang Pinoy 2024 in Puerto Princesa City in Palawan. They will be divided into 3 age brackets, the 12 to 13, 14 to 15, and 16 to 17 years old, with all of them ready to shine in the November 23 to 28 Sports Fest, where a total of 1,554 gold medals are at stake across 30 sports. Except for artistic gymnastics, which will be held at the MVP Gymnastics Center in Intramuros, Manila, all of the other events will be played in Puerto Princesa. Baguio City will be the golden standard again among participating LGUs, as the City of Pines is on target to capture its 5th consecutive overall championship after dominating in 2018, 2019, 2022, and 2023. Pasig City, on the other hand, is also a force to reckon with, following its back-to-back number 2 finish in the overall ranking. The Philippine Sports Commission will hand a 3 million peso incentive for the winning LGU, while the second best will get 2.5 million pesos. The third to fifth placers will receive 2 million, 1.5 million, and 1 million pesos accordingly. Meanwhile, it will be a memorable milestone for Batang Pinoy this year as it celebrates its silver anniversary, with a grand opening ceremony on Saturday expected to give vibrance to the occasion. PSC founded the annual tournament 25 years ago, and since 1999 it went on to rise as the agency's major grassroots program, where also the likes of Olympic medalists Carlo Paalam and Nesty Petesio had their humble beginnings. PSC Executive Director Paulo Tatad assured the Batang Pinoy will always be true to its mission in discovering talents who will bring glory to the Philippines.
Admitang PSC or whoever leading sports agency, I think Batang Pinoy will be here to stay, because it should be something, it's a program that, let's say, the kids should be exposed to, for them to display their talents with regard to sports.
For Radyo Pilipinas 2 Sports, Dennis Hilanga, Balitang Pambansa.